Hi, welcome to KRankin's Kitchen and Cooking with KRankin. And today I am going to make a recipe that I found on the internet, and it's from the big man's world. And recently I've been kind of dabbling in the keto space and eating a little bit more healthy. This, if you know keto, it's a higher fat and low carb. So that's about all I know. I do not profess to be any kind of expert when it comes to keto. But the recipe is from the big man's world. You can find him on Instagram as well. And he makes a lot of keto desserts. So check him out. So today, the peanut butter mousse is what we're making, which does not sound healthy at all, I know. But we have a sugar substitute, powdered sugar here. We've got heavy whipping cream, vanilla, cream cheese, and sugar-free peanut butter. So this is peanut butter that I bought just at Sobeys, and it was just the 100% peanut butter. So first off, we have the peanut butter in the bowl, and this is a measure. What is it called? I'm going to have to try to remember what this is called, but this is one of my favorite things. You measure both liquid and granulated or drier ingredients in the top. And the great thing about it is that when you're measuring something like cream cheese or yogurt or anything like that, you can just push it out like this, and then you've got no waste on the top. So that is awesome. And then we'll put in the sugar, cup of sugar. Then we'll put in a little bit of vanilla. So what's going to happen is we're going to mix the peanut butter mixture here, and then what we're going to do is we're going to take the whipping cream and whip that into stiff peaks and fold it into this. And if any of you are Schitt's Creek fans, you'll kind of giggle at that, folding it in. So I'm going to beat that right now. So I'm going to take the same container that I had the cream cheese in, and I'm going to use the other side, and I'm going to put in a cup of whipping cream. So now the cream is whipped into stiff peaks, and what we're going to do is we're going to put a quarter of that in here first and kind of mix it around. Kind of get that cream in there. We're going to put some more in. We're going to fold it in. that goodness out of there. And we're going to mix this in, fold it in. So now this is going to go in, we're going to put this in some individual ramekins, or little, just small bowls, single serving bowls, and we're going to put this in the refrigerator, and it's going to refrigerate for at least 30 minutes. And then we'll come back and we'll have our favorite test taster, Vicky, to give it a taste. Hi, we're back, and so our mousse has been chilled for actually a couple of hours. And Vicky, you can see that it's firmed up really well, and Vicky's going to give it a try. It's really good. Really good? Mm-hmm. Oh, great. So tester Vicky approved, and she's actually just going to take it away with her. We will post the recipe down below. We'll also post the link to where the author, Big Man's World, you can view some more of his recipes. And like and subscribe. If you'd like me to make something in particular, please let me know. Or if you'd like to have a party, that would be great. And you can get all sorts of recipes from pamperedchef.com. And you can reach me at www.pamperedchef.ca/pws/KRankin's Kitchen. Thank you. Have a great day.